Lamborghini North Los Angeles proudly presents this 2019 Porsche 911 Turbo S. Equipped with a 3.8-liter, 580 horsepower twin-turbo 6-cylinder engine and a 7-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission with all-wheel drive. This car is finished in a sleek jet black metallic special exterior and two-tone Black and Bordeaux full leather interior. This 911 Turbo S comes extremely well optioned, including factory 20-inch 911 turbo carbon fiber wheels, seat heating, lane change assist, front axle lift system, seat ventilation, Porsche entry and drive, light design package, electric slide and tilt glass sunroof, power steering plus, Burmester high-end surround sound system, voice control, carbon fiber door sill guards, LED headlights in black with Porsche Dynamic Light System Plus, Sport Chrono stopwatch dial in Bordeaux red, heated multifunction sport steering wheel in carbon fiber side mirrors, and much more.